How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and view your recently watched reels on Instagram. If you've ever wanted to go back to that funny video or interesting reel you saw earlier but couldn't find, this video is for you, so let's jump right in. If you spend a lot of time on Instagram, you've probably watched a ton of reels. But what if you want to revisit a reel that you watched a few hours or days ago? Now what you can do is simply go to the Instagram, tap on your profile and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on three horizontal bars, scroll down and tap on your activity. As you can see, what you can do is simply click on interactions, and here as you can see likes. Here you can find the videos, the reels that you've liked earlier. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a direct recently watched feature for reels, but this option can help you simply track the Instagram reel that you watched earlier. These are all the reels that you've watched, and that's it. That's how you simply know how to see recently watched reels on Instagram.